Hi, and welcome to my channel. I am so excited. Victoriasmoon contacted me and asked me if I wanted to do a diamond painting. And yes, of course I did. So they let me choose what I wanted to do. And this is the unboxing. So this is what it comes in. DIY 5D diamond painting, and best wishes for you, shiny diamond. Oh, I love this. I love it. I love it. So I'm going to be taking it out of here. It comes in a bag. Let's see if I can. Oh, there's supposed to be a bag in here. Just gonna take that out. Oh, the bag stayed in there. Okay, there's that. Now, this is gonna be so big I can't even unwrap this whole thing here. But I will show you. Oh, this canvas seems so nice. Very nice. Let's see what's in here. Okay. So it comes with this paper. There's numbers, symbols. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out what that is. I think that's like the key. And here's the beautiful pen, or the diamond pen. I love that. And here is this. And it comes with all these beautiful diamonds. And sorry for the crinkling. Let me see if I can open this. And I see the tools in here. Okay, so first of all, I'll show you. This is the painting, and I believe this would be the right side up. And what you do is you uncover a little bit at a time, and then you put the little stones, the little diamonds on here. And this is sticky here. So I have never done one of these. I've just kind of watched unboxings like this. So where is what I'm doing? Is there a picture of it? Because I forget what I ordered. Let me see. Is there a picture of it? No. I don't see it. Unless it's in the bag here. Or in the box, I mean. Nope, nothing in the box. Oops. Okay. I think it was like a door. It was like a door with it open and looking outside, like at the beach. So I don't think it's on here, is it? Let me take a better look. Oh yes, it's right. Oops, sorry. It is right here. Oh my gosh, this thing is so big. I don't know if you can see that, but that is what it's gonna look like. There's the door, and then here's the sand, and then there's the beach. So yeah, they let me pick that out. At first I was gonna do one of our family, but then I decided I would first do this one. One that was, you know, that they had there. Okay, so this is the little, okay, what's this one? I have no idea. There's two of these anyway. I have one of these, but I use it for picking up little things. Okay, so there's this one here. And it has a little, like, looks like a little, whoops, I'm not in frame here. Little wider here, and then here's probably just to pick up one by one. Oh, it's got a little grip thing there. That's cool. And this one has like the wax at the end. And then here is a little tweezers. Ooh, they are sharp. And then here is a little piece of wax. And I think you poke into this to pick up a little piece, and then you use it on your drills. These are called drills. Okay, now I remember. Yes. And it comes with a little pan here. So, yes, I will be doing this in steps, and I will show you as I go along, because I'm sure that will take me a long time. But I am very, very excited, as you can tell. These are beautiful colors. This is like a purple, and here's a gray, and there's many, many different colors here. So yeah, stay tuned, and I will show you my progress. And go check out Victoriasmoon. I will link them below. And I will try to find this exact one that I got, and I will link that one. And we'll go from there. Thank you for watching. Please continue watching. Give me a like. And subscribe if you haven't. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.